Friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, today we are going to make something different and so interesting on Scratch. So the name of this animation is Flower Petals Animation on Scratch. So first, let's see the demo of this project, and this animation is so pretty well. So friends, as you have seen in the demo of this animation, the flower petal has been worked and it's made, and even the sound is also there. So let's learn how I made this on Scratch. Even the backdrop is also pretty well. So guys, this is the coding of the backdrop. So let's see the coding of backdrop. So I will just remove this one from here. Okay. Yeah guys, so this is the coding of backdrop, and this is the coding of arrow. So with the arrow we made this. So first let's make something new and let's learn how I made this animation. So friends, before this I would like to tell you that if you like this video, so please like it, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, so please subscribe it now. So guys, first let's take a backdrop. You can take any backdrop, but let me see which backdrop is much more good for this animation according to me. So let's take this light. Yeah guys, so this light backdrop we have taken. Now it's time to put the coating on it. So first the green flag will click, and then we have to put a sound. So we will take a sound from the sound. We don't want this pop sound, so I will delete this and I will take it the Sklilo one. I will take this kind of sound on Scratch. So it means as a XYLO1, this name of that sound. Let's see. So we will do it. Okay, so let me see, this sound is better. Wow, that is great. So I would like to take this sound and I will put the coding. So the coding will be on sound. We will go here, we will take this when the green flag click, and then start sound. So let's see how it's working or not. So yeah, it's working. Now guys, it's time to take a sprite. So I will take a sprite from sprite library. You can take any sprite, but this time I am taking a kind of arrow. Arrow will be much more good for drawing. Yeah, this one. I have taken the arrow one, and there are many costumes of this arrow. You can see here if you want to see from the costumes. So you will see that there are many costumes. So let's see. So yeah, there are these all kind of costume here in this arrow. So now it's time to put the coding on it. So if you want to put its size more increase, if you want, so you can increase it, but I am not doing that. So first I will go in the event block. I will take it green flag click, then I will go in the extension and I will take it this pen extension. After that I will just take it erase all, then I will take it pen up block because we have to make it, and then from the motion block I want this sprite position to be in the middle, to be in the center. So what I will do, I will just take this, instead of -13 the x will be 0 and the y also be 0. So after that I will go in the pen and I will take it pen down. If I will not take this block, so the drawing will be not drawn, only the arrow will be just move like that, but drawing will be can't draw on it. So now I will go here and I will take it set pen size to. So we will do it set pen size to be, yeah, 2 is much more better guys. Now we have to put the point direction also of it. So what I will do, I will go in the motion block. Let me see the point direction is there or not. Yeah, so this point direction I will take it and I will also do it as a 0 because I want to be it as a 0. So yeah, this 0 I have done. and now I will go in the control block, and this time we have to take so many repeat blocks guys in the different condition. So first repeat block will be 6 times, so let's do it 6 times, and then in it we will put repeat 2 times. We have to put it as a, so let's put it 2 times. Yeah, now I will just drag it here, I will scroll down it here. Yeah, and then in that I will put repeat 18 times guys, because we have to make a petals of the flowers. So I will do it 18, and in the 18 repeat 18 I will put move 10 steps. Yeah, move 10 steps from the motion. So I have taken this move 10 step, I will put it here, I will drag it, and then turn right degree to 5, not 15 we will take it, instead of 15 we will take 5. And then now we will put a set pen color. So in that we will go in the pen, and I will just set the pen color. So let's put set the pen color 2. So I will just, instead of 50 I will do something. So before that I will just small it. Yeah, so instead of 50 I will just erase this, and I will go in the operators block, and from the operators I will take this pick random 1 to 12, or you can say you can take even instead of 12 you can take 1200 or 200. Yeah, 200 it will be much better. So what will happen, this arrow will make a flower petal, and after making a petal of it, it will just stop here on the middle. So we will see it, and now we will in the repeat block we will put the something different, like we will go in the motion block, and we will turn it to be we can do it as a 90 degree. Yeah, so 90 degree will be much better. So in the repeat 2 block we will do it. So yeah, not in repeat 18, so be careful about this. So we, instead of 15 we will do it 90. So let's do 90. Yeah, I have done 90, and in the last of repeat 6 block we will put 60 degree. It will be turned for 60 degree, and it will turn right side. Let's do it 60. So now I have done in the 60. So let's first I will just show you that is it okay or not. So I will drag it, so you can see when the green flag click, erase all, pen out, go to x0, y0, pen down, set pen size to 2, then point direction 0, repeat 6. In repeat 6 we have put on turn 16 degree, in repeat 2 we have put on turn right side 90 degree, and in repeat 18 we have put in move 10 step and turn 5 degree, set pen color to pick random 1 to 100. So now I will just save it. So yeah, I have saved. So first let's see how it's working. Okay, so it's working. So now I would like to see on full screen guys. So friends, as you have seen, the sound is also there, the light backdrop is also there, and the arrow is making flower petals, and it's very pretty well and so stunning. Even the colors are in 200 and it's making, and its position is in middle. So friends, it's a very pretty and so nice and very stunning animation on Scratch. You can also make it. So yeah friends, that's all about today. If you like this video, so please like it, make it on 2k likes, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe it now, or if you are new on my channel, so just subscribe it, ring the bell icon, turn it on the all mode, and share it with everyone, and please comment me in comment section that how was my this video. So thanks for watching.